Hello everyone. This lecture topic is about the flexbox. What is the property of flexbox? What do you mean by flex? Let's discuss it. This is the our current app screen. What was we discussed in last lecture? Let's remove that thing. Okay. Let's create a view. Inside a view, we put our text with the name of hello one. Inside a parent view, we nested another view with the name of text hello 2. Okay. What we have done that there is a view. Inside the view, we put two view, one view and two view. Inside a view, we put one text hello 1 and hello 2. We give some styling like style, background color to red, another styling, background color to orange will be fine. Control S. How screen look like hello and hello 2. Look at here, it is not visible in a complete screen. It only cover that much area on which this text will be fitted. So here we use flex so that it wrap up all the screen. Inside the style we put the flex one here, but now also it is not visible in a whole screen because we put the flex in parent view, but here we do not put any flex. So we put we put a flex 0.5. It means it will be it will cover half of the screen. Yeah, look at here. Hello one cover half of the screen. We we manage the ISO according to our requirement. We can put 0.2. It will wrap up 0.2%. Let it is 1. 0.8 will be left. Hello 2 and empty space. It is 0.8 and 0.2 is in a hello 1. Let we put the flex here. Flex 0.5. So some space will be left. Yeah. 0.5, 0.2, 0.7. So that is the advantage of flex. For example, kindly look at here carefully. Hello 1 and hello 2 is arranged vertically, but we want to align them horizontally. So we use the flex direction. We change the flex direction according to our requirement. By default it was column. We change to the row. Yeah, hello 1 behind the hello 1, hello 2 will be the visible, hello 2 will visible. So now they are dividing according to the width area. 0.2 here, I think 0.2, yeah, 0.2 and 0.5, 0.3 will be left. Okay, another thing, look at here, our text is in a beginning, not in the middle. So we use here align items. Align item means these items will be in a center, these items will be in a center. So we do not want these, currently we do not want these items at the center, we want only that text in a center. So we put here align items, put here center, here align items, put here center. Look at here. It is aligned horizontally. Hello 1 is in the middle and hello 2 is in the middle. But if we want a text vertically aligned also, so we use the justify content at the center. We use the justify content at the center. So look at here. Our text is in center. Hello 1 and hello 2. Okay. We can change the width height of the text. First we change the color to black. We change the size font size to 30. Same with another text also. Style color to what will be, let green, font size 30. You can give the hexa code. You can pick up any color from here. For example, if I want to use this color, so copy the hexa code, paste it instead of add, paste that code, Control S. Look at here, our add color is changed to a hexacode color. It depends on your requirement, what color you choose. Hello 1 and hello 2 is in a color of orange. You can also make them bold also. Font weight. Here always remember that press Control plus space. Some option will be visible. You can select according to your wish. You can put the font weight to bold, font weight to, that you can put here 600. Yeah, font weight change. So, but we want our content, our lines at the center. So put justify content at the center. Our content will be shifted to at the center. For example, what is the use of flex one? If we remove that flex one, how our screen look like? We included flex here in first nested component of view. In another nested component of view, we include flex, but we remove flex from the parent component. How screen look like? It don't have any effect of the flex. What we include in the nested component. So it is compulsory that we need to add flex in parent component also. When we added flex one, how it's look like before. So flex one, what changes we want to do? For example, if we change the background color of the parent component we want pink color. So how our screen look like? This is pink color. Hope it is visible. Pink, some color of hexa code, this color, and another code is another background color is orange. Yeah, it parent component cover complete screen. In that complete screen, it is divided according to the flex. Flex box is a combination of flex, align item, justify content, align contents, etc. Thank you.